Germantown, Maryland, homes for sale. All houses for sale on zip code 20874 20876. All homes for sale, all single family houses, all townhouses, all condos, all foreclosures, all short sales. You will find them on reallynicehomes.com. Germantown has two assigned zip codes, 20874 and 20876. Where do you want to live? West of I-270, that's zip code 20874, or east of I-270, which is zip code 20876. The Montgomery County Public Transit Bus System Ride-On serves Germantown with approximately 20 bus services and operates a major transit hub in Germantown, known as the Germantown Transit Center, an easy connection to the terminal of the Washington Metro Red Line at Shady Grove Station. Your search for Germantown properties starts here. www.reallynicehomes.com gives you the tools you need to browse real estate listings online. Direct access to search for regular listings, short sales, foreclosures, hot properties, new homes, and all the luxury real estate in between. Most importantly, all our listings are fresh and updated daily. reallynicehomes.com, the Germantown, Maryland starting point for real estate. 301-246-0001. Thank you.